What's up, guys? So today we're doing the alkaline diet by Dr.Sebi. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it or not, but yeah, I've been eating healthy and shit, and today I just implemented going on runs because I'm in quarantine. The gym's closed, can't lift. I might do some push-ups later, but we're gonna make a Dr.Sebi stir fry. It's gonna be my own recipe, straight alkaline, no protein in it or nothing. It's my cat. Yeah, no protein in it or nothing. This is going to be part one because I don't have a video editor. If I can get it to work on my phone, then this is just going to be one video, but yeah, this is what I got so far. So, basically you want mushrooms, onion, and peppers, and then rice, because certain grains aren't allowed. And then a really good extra virgin olive oil. Slice these up, and cube all of them, except these, slice these. You want to do the bell pepper first in the pan, a few minutes. Then you add the mushroom and the onion in there because that takes longer to cook first. Then I just grab 4 of these. Get these at Costco, 4 of these. Boil them in here 3 minutes. And yeah, I'll get you guys when I'm done with this. And yeah, I'm gonna chop this up and throw it in the pan. I'm trying to figure out how I edit this video real quick, but chop this up, throw it in the pan, cook it, and then I'll get back to you guys.